In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I tighten a track on a Polaris Indy Sport. It's a 1997, I believe. So yeah, let's get at it. Alright, so step one, you're going to need to loosen the back wheels on the track so that they'll be able to slide back and forth. What you'll need is a 9/16 wrench and a 9/16 ratchet, depending on your snowmobile. Next, I'm going to use a jack stand to lift up the back of the sled. Now you can see that the track is loose. Your snowmobile is going to have these bolts back here. As you can see back here, you have room for the both wheels to go backwards, right there. So we're going to have to tighten them. So when you tighten this down, then it moves the whole thing that way, and then we're going to have much less slack in the track. So, alright, let's do that. As you can see, it's much tighter already, so we're going to go see if we can match the same on the other side. So is that loose right now? Alright, there we go. That's about the same amount tight. On this snowmobile, this nut right here actually stays put. It's in between these two things, so you can't really move it with a wrench. Wrench doesn't really get back there. But on some of your sleds, you're going to have to loosen this. Then you're going to have to tighten it back up at the end after you're done tightening this up. And then you got to remember to tighten this back up. And it's attached on both sides, so you're going to have a wrench on this side and then a ratchet on that side. Alright, so as you guys saw, snowmobile ran great, and I know this is different. We're kind of basically just doing any videos we can. It doesn't really match up with our preview from 2 years ago, but yeah, we're just doing basically anything we think we would like to put on YouTube, and so yeah, hopefully that video was helpful. And if you like videos like this or like what we've been doing, then please subscribe. And yes, please like the video if it was helpful to you. And yeah, see you next time.